backing up the platform. But so this is still light, by the way.
Oh, is that bag's on fire?
Yeah.
I'll look for your glasses.
Right, guys, let's get away and let's move right down the end of the platform.
Clearly we are investigating a critical and extremely serious incident this morning. At around 8:20, the emergency services were called to Parsons Green to deal with what looked like an item exploding to a small degree on a tube train. There have been a number of people injured and we are still assessing the extent of those injuries. For the moment, obviously, the station and surrounding areas closed off whilst we undertake a thorough review. The matter has been declared a counter-terrorist related incident and will be managed and controlled by the Metropolitan Police Counter-Terrorist Command. British Transport Police and the other emergency services will be assisting with that investigation as it unfolds throughout today.